Good morning, children. This is the summary video of Class 2 Computer Science Lesson 1 Know Your Computer. As all of you know that computer plays an important role in our daily life. Why? Because it saves our time and makes our work easy. That's why we are using computers widely nowadays. In this lesson, we are going to learn some important features of computers, some work areas where computers are used, and different types of computers. All these three things we are going to learn in this lesson. Now, important features. They are speed, accuracy, storage, consistency, versatility, and reliability. Speed. A computer works with great speed. Because of that great speed only, it finishes our work within a short time. That's why we use computers. Next, accuracy. Accuracy means a computer gives an error-free result. Means it gives correct results. It won't make any mistakes while giving results. Third one is storage. A computer is having a large storage space. So we can store a large data into that. Next, consistency. Consistency means computer works with several jobs at a time, but it gives equal importance to each and every job. Maintaining that equal importance is called consistency. Next, versatility. Computer works in different work areas. According to that work area demand, the computer is able to work and serve their purpose. That is called versatility. Next, reliability. Reliability means checking the performance of consistency. If a computer maintains consistency very well, then that computer is called a reliable computer. Next, some work areas where computers are used. They are in education field, in entertainment field, in transport system, in banking, medical, home, and business. In education field, you have seen that in our school also so many computers are there now. In office room, you can see 2 or 3 computers where they use computers to store details of you, means students. They will maintain students records, they will maintain fee records, and they will maintain the books records in library. For all these things, in schools computers are used, and in lab we use computers for practicals also. For teachers, it helps in teaching, it helps in making progress cards, timetables. For all these things, computers are used in schools or education department, schools, colleges, for anything. Next, entertainment field. Entertainment field means nowadays you use computers for playing also, na? You will play games, listen musics, you can see videos. It can be used for making cartoon films, animated movies. For all these things, you can draw pictures in MS Paint. For all these things, computers are used. In transport system, it is used for booking tickets, for to know the schedule of the buses, trains, flights, any delay is there. All these things you can know with the help of computers. In banking, it stores the details of the account holders. It will provide us ATM facility. It will provide the cash details. For all these things, banking sector uses computers. In medical field, it is used to store the details of the patients and used to monitor the health condition of the patients, and it helps doctors in making operations. For all these things in hospitals, computers are used. At home, we can play games, we can chat with our friends, we can make video calls, we can listen music, and we can maintain our personal data in that. All these things will be done. Next, in business also it is used for storing records and preparing marketing documents, and it is used to stay in contact with their customers, employees. For all these things computers are used. Now computers, according to its size, computers are divided into several types. They are desktop, laptop, palm top, notebook, and smartphone. First, desktop. Desktop means it is a computer that is designed like that. It can be placed on a table or desk. Here, monitor, keyboard, and CPU are available as a separate units. In our computer lab, we are using desktops only. Next, laptop. Laptop is also a computer, but it is a portable device. What is meant by portable device? Portable device means it can be carried easily to anywhere. In traveling also, you can carry this easily. And here, monitor, keyboard, and CPU, all these three units are assembled in a one device. Next, palm top. Palm top is smaller than a laptop. It can fit in our palm, that much smaller size it is, and its functionality also limited because it is a small device, so its functionality is limited. Next, notebook. Notebook is same as laptop, but its size is somewhat smaller than laptop. Next, smartphone. Nowadays we are using smartphones widely because it is cheaper than computer and it serves the all purposes of computer. We can chat with friends, we can see videos, we can make calls, and it can be used as a calculator, we can play games. All these things will be done with smartphone. So nowadays smartphones are widely used. Now, glossary. First one is accuracy. Accuracy means correctness of a value or result. Means giving correct result, correct value of result. So means error-free result. That is called accuracy. ATM. ATM means automated teller machine. It is a device used for banking transactions. As you know all about ATM. ATM is used for banking transactions. Consistency. Quality of always performing in a similar way. Means giving equal importance to each and every job at every time. Desktop. A computer suitable to use at an ordinary desk. So it is placed on a desk and we can comfortably use it. Diagnosis. The identification of the nature of an illness or other problem by examination of the symptoms. It is the identification of the nature of the illness, nature of the health issue by doing some tests. Next, laptop. A computer that is portable and suitable for use while traveling. It is a small computer that it can be carried easily in transport also, in traveling also. Monitoring. Monitoring means observing the progress or quality of something over a period of time. Checking, observing about something over a period of time, how it is working in long run, how it is performing, is its quality is good or not. Checking all these things over a period of time about something is called monitoring. Next, notebook. A small and slim computer. As I said, notebook is also a laptop, but it is somewhat smaller than laptops. Laptop. Palm top. A computer that is small and light enough to be held in one hand. It can be easily carried with one hand. That is called palm top. Reliability. Quality of performing consistency well. As I said, if a computer maintains consistency well, then it is called a reliable one. Smartphone. A touch screen mobile phone that performs many of the functions of a calculator. It is a touch screen one. With touching the screen, we are able to work with that, and it will serve the purpose of computer as well. Next, storage. Space or a place for storing data. Some space given for storing data is called storage. Transportation. The activity of moving people or thing from one place to another place. Traveling from one place to another place, either goods or people, is called transportation. Versatility. Able to be used for multiple purposes. Doing several jobs with great ability is called versatility. That's it. The lesson finished. Hope you all understood this lesson. Thank you.